powerful bomb was found planted this morning near Little Flower School along Tidim Road in Imphal. The security forces rushed to the site and retrieved the bomb, which was later defused. The road was blocked by the security forces for some time, disrupting traffic. A sit-in protest was staged at Lamlai Bazaar today against arrest of 3 youths over intimidation charges during electioneering. The demonstrators threatened to form a joint action committee and launch intense agitation in case the authorities do not release the trio at the earliest. The battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifle under the aegis of IGAR South celebrated Easter Sunday with locals at various parts of the Imphal Valley on 21st April. As part of the celebrations of Easter by Kaithalmanbi Battalion Regiment, medical officer paid a visit to the Ima Foundation located at Kaithalmanbi and celebrated the day with the children of the orphanage. On the occasion of Kongjom Day, the band Korkom has paid tribute to the brave soldiers of Manipur who martyred during the Anglo-Manipur War, 1891. Nambol Block Congress has rejected the recent claim by BJP Pradesh spokesperson Dr. Nimai Chand Luang that voting at some polling stations of Laimapokpam during the second phase of Lok Sabha polls was not held in a free and fair manner. The Assam government is set to procure 25 buses under the Fast Adoption and Manufacture of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles scheme, and the global enterprise Tata has backed the tender to provide 15 buses in the first phase. Assam Pride Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi has finally got a sympathizer in Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, who on Sunday accused institutional disruptors of destabilizing the institution of CJI by lending soldier to unverified allegations against the head of the Supreme Court. Police of Sri Lanka said today the investigation into the Easter Sunday bombings will examine reports that the intelligence community failed to detect or warn of possible suicide attacks before the violence.